And check this out. This here is a 3-piece set of a premium stainless steel baking sheet. So if you're looking for some new baking sheets, you need to check out this set here from Baker's Signature. Again, 3 different pieces, a 9-inch, 12-inch, and a 16-inch. This is going to be great for like 2 chicken breasts, right? Some veggies. And then if you got a larger family, you maybe want to cook cookies or more chicken breasts on this. You can do that too as well. But this is going to go ahead and hold 12 cookies really nicely to bake. These are very nice stainless steel with this mirrored finish. There you can see Baker's Signature. It's got a nice rolled edge, so the edges aren't sharp. This is going to be premium set here that is lightweight. It's going to be shatterproof. It also has food grade steel, and they're going to be easy to clean with this mirror surface here. You can see myself, hey, how you doing? So very nice set. I love how there's 3 in here. I love how you have different sizes because you may not need to cook one piece of food on this larger one, right? You can utilize this. This could also go into one of those toaster ovens too as well. And, you have different options. So I really like this set. Stainless steel. Shout out to Baker's Signature for getting that. Very nice set. Very premium. I love this look. I love this feel. This just feels nice. It just feels sturdy. And I love that glossy finish. So, and I love the option of having 3 different sizes. So shout out to Baker's Signature once more. Check them out.